the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the new Liberty 3 Pro by Soundcore. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide and Type-C charging cable. And you also get an assortment of earwings and ear tips. The earbuds feature 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, AAC, SBC, LDAC codec. It has an Astro Coaxial Acoustic Architecture 2.0, Hear ID ANC, transparency, and app. Touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. It also comes in 4 color options. Just like the previous versions, the case is small and compact. It has a matte finish all around. This is the white version, and on the top you have the logo. The front has the status LED lights. And on the back you'll find the pairing button along with the USB-C charge port. Access to the earbuds is done by sliding the lid back and forth. Earbuds are held into place by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. There are bright LED indicators inside, which is a nice touch to indicate it's charging, as you can see here. This has wireless charging, and you can see it here activate on the charger. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a familiar look and design as previous model, although I feel this has more of a premium feel to it. Ear markings are on the earwings, and the outside face has a glossy finish with the branding, along with the surface for the touch controls. And there's a chrome-like finish along the edge. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, earwings, sensor, microphones, touch control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, and ANC feature. As mentioned earlier, this has app integration. Once connected, you will have access to a lot of features. You can toggle the ANC, transparency, tailor a custom sound profile with the Hear ID, and select from EQ presets or customize your own. You can change the button assignments and update the firmware as well. One thing to note is that the ANC feature has integrated the Hear ID, which can basically personalize the noise cancellation based on your own hearing. The case comes in at 2.7 by 2.2 by 1 inch. It weighs in at 43 grams, and the earbuds come in at 15 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. This has multi-point connectivity as well. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be extremely comfortable. It had a secure, tight fit and seated well in my ears. Earwings helped the overall fit. There's good passive noise isolation, and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. I would say it has a better fit for me than previous versions. Touch controls are a plus. Build and quality is excellent. The case and earbuds feel durable, and it has a premium look and feel. Material used are aluminum and CNC machined. Earbuds do protrude out a bit when seated in your ears. Touch controls were not overly sensitive and it responded well when navigating. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 8 hours and 32 hours with the case. Having ANC on will reduce it a few hours. I like the app integration and the amount of features that it has available. Wireless charging is a plus. The only thing I would have liked to see is a better IPX rating. The ANC feature canceled the surroundings very well. It definitely ranks up there with many of the better ANC earbuds that I have tested. And using the Hear ID to tailor the feature to one's own hearing profile is definitely a unique feature. I would have to say the same for the transparency. The microphones picked up the surroundings loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, you get the familiar prominent, deep, tight bass. It's not lacking at all, and it sounds precise. Mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. There's good separation with a crisp, wide soundstage. It does lean a bit towards a warm sound signature with the bass. It was very pleasant as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I feel that this ranks up there with some of my favorite earbuds. I was a big fan of the previous model, and this just took the top of the list for me. The sounds don't disappoint, and it's feature packed with app integration. This should be on your list if you're looking for a new pair of earbuds in my opinion. So that is my review of the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.